In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The meeting between the Chief of Staff of the Prime Minister's Office of the Islamic Emirate and the Qatari ambassador for Afghanistan. The discussions between the Afghan ambassador and Iranian officials regarding the challenges of Afghan migrants in Iran. And the state of emergency declared in the Democratic Republic of Congo and Uganda following Ebola outbreak. Welcome to our news packages. Monday, the 1st of Zulhijjah al-Haram 1447, the 28th of Sawr 1405, and the 18th of May 2026. The news details. Dr. Mullah Abdul Wasid, the Chief of Staff of the Prime Minister's Office of the Islamic Emirate, met with Mr. Mardouf bin Ali al-Qashti, the Ambassador of Qatar for Afghanistan, in Presidential Palace. At the outset of the meeting, the Qatari ambassador described his country's relation with Afghanistan as strong and historic, stating that he would strive during his mission to further elevate and strengthen the ties. Mr. al-Qashti referred to Qatar's completed and the ongoing development and humanitarian assistance project in Afghanistan, adding that with the prevailing security situation, Qatar seeks to expand its cooperation in other sectors as well. His Excellency further emphasized the importance of positive relations between Afghanistan and Pakistan for the sake of regional economy, security, and stability, noting that Qatar is sincerely working to help find suitable solutions to the existing challenges between the two countries. Maulavi Fils Mohammad Haqqani, the ambassador of Afghanistan in Tehran, met with Sayyid Taqi Qaimi, the deputy head of Iranian Center for Foreign Nationals and Migrant Affairs. Based on the Afghan embassy in Tehran, both sides discussed issues related to challenges faced by Afghan migrants, particularly the procedure for health insurance payment for holders of MIH registration cards. The news continuation. The Information and Culture Directorate of Bamiyan Province, on the occasion of Book and Reading Week and in cooperation with private libraries and bookstores, has integrated a book exhibition at Bamiyan Culture Center. Around 4,000 books have been displayed at the exhibition. And ultimately, following reports that 80 people in Congo had died after contracting Ebola, the World Health Organization (WHO) declared the Ebola outbreak in the Democratic Republic of Congo and Uganda a public health emergency for international concern. In accordance with the World Health Organization, the outbreak is linked to the Bundibugyo, the strain of Ebola virus. The organization further stated that although the current situation doesn't yet meet the criteria for a global pandemic, there are growing concerns that disease could spread to countries sharing land borders with Democratic Republic of Congo. We've reached the end of our news program. Further informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.